Hello and welcome to this basic instructional video on setting up for Quebec Oscar 100 via the Morningstar remote station. Firstly, there are some prerequisites to setting up the station. You will need an internet connection, a valid amateur radio license. You will need to be a member of the CTARC and subscribe to the Morningstar service. RCF Orb software must be installed, and this can be found at download.remotehams.com, and a username and password set up for the service. Headphones and microphone are also recommended. Here is an overview of the system. The uplink transmission to the satellite is via the Morningstar remote station. However, for the downlink from the satellite, we will use the web software-defined radio service provided by the British Amateur Television Club. To access this, simply first go to your web browser and in Google type SL WebSDR, and Quebec Oscar 100 SL2 narrowband WebSDR should be in your first option. Select the frequency you are interested in hearing. Zoom in on the frequency, as this can help with fine-tuning. Having set up the downlink, we can now set up the uplink. The RCF Orb software is not preset with the Morningstar station, so we will have to add this if it has not been done previously. Click Add Remote. Input the remote name, grid square, and host IP as seen. The Morningstar remote station should now appear at the top of the list of stations and should be selected. Selecting the correct frequency needs a little calculation, as we are going to use a transverter to take a 70 centimeter signal and convert it to the 2.4 GHz uplink frequency. 435.05 MHz at Morningstar represents an uplink frequency of 2400.05 MHz and a downlink frequency of 10,489.55 MHz. Really, all we need to do is either subtract 10,054.5 MHz from the WebSDR frequency to find the frequency we need to set the Morningstar to, or add 10,054.5 to the Morningstar frequency to find where we will transmit on the SDR site. Click Memories at the bottom left, followed by Sync Remote Memories. You can now adjust the 70 centimeter frequency to match your desired downlink frequency, and you are now able to hit transmit and call CQ. Good luck. For more information, please visit the club's website at www.ctarc.org.za.